Hey everyone, Gary here from WorldStart. I have a question for you. Are you buried in documents? I don't know about you, but here we have paper. There's a lot of paper. Everybody has a lot of paper. I gotta tell you, you try to take care of this stuff, you try to do something with it, you try to scan it, you can do whatever you want, but really, if you don't have something good to change your documents, to convert them to Word files, to do something with them, you're just kind of stuck with a bunch of pictures of paper. Pictures of paper that does nothing for you. What can you do with them? You can't edit them, you can't open them, all you can do is look at them. And honestly, what's that going to do for you? Well, today we have the solution. This program right here, Readiris Pro 11, is going to solve all of these problems. I have the computer set up here, I have the scanner set up, I have a ton of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this one program is going to change your life for good when it comes to organizing your paperwork and organizing everything that you have on paper, making it something that you can use on your computer. Let's turn to the computer right now. I'm going to show you exactly how this goes. Okay, now before I start the demo on this and show you how great this program is, let me just talk about the price real quick. If you look up above your head right now, up above on the top of the screen, you'll see our price, $26.97. Unbelievable. Now, this is the competition. $119, $99, $102. Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous. Now, I know that's way too much money. Nobody can afford that these days. That's why we have the best price, and that's why we're bringing it to you. We could mark this up. We could charge a ton of money, but we're not going to do that. $26.97. You got to act fast. Now let me show you how this works. First things first. I have a box. This is the back of a product box, something that we're going to sell, and we have to do this a lot. We have to scan the back of these boxes so we can get information about products. Now, if you just had a regular scanner and regular scanner software, I'll show you what you get. Right here on the screen, I'll open it up. This is what you get with a regular scanner. It's a picture. That's it. You can't do anything with it. I can't move it around. I can't edit it. I can't take these little pictures and change them. Nothing. It'd be the same thing as me taking my digital camera, snapping a shot, and putting it on the computer. That's boring. It's useless. Really, I don't see the point. So let me show you what we can do with the Readiris Pro 11. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the scanner. Just like this. Simple as that, in the scanner. Now, we'll go ahead and open up the program. And it's real simple. It'll open up here with our wizard. The wizard is the easiest way to transfer any kind of document. It's going to pretty much handle all of the details. We'll hit next on here. It's going to ask us where we want to get the image from. I'm going to choose scanner. You'll notice it also says image files. I'll get to that later. Go ahead and hit next. Now here is where it asks me about the scanner. It already has our scanner selected. I'm going to open up the details here and change this to color, because this is a color image and I want to show you just how great this program is. And we'll go ahead and hit OK here, and we'll hit next. It's going to ask me the language. That's English. That's simple enough. Hit next, and it's going to ask me what to do with it. Format, I'm going to choose Word, and we'll go ahead and hit next and then hit go. It's going to go ahead and scan the document. This is only going to take a few seconds. The scanner is going to breeze right through it and send it through over to us. Now once the program gets this is where it gets interesting. You'll notice that the document's going to convert real quick and then pop up here on the screen. On the screen is what you saw before, but now is where it changes. You'll notice that it's automatically outlined everything about this document, everything that's important. And now I'm going to show you how it goes into Word. It automatically opens up the box here where I can type in what I want to save it as. I'm going to call it test document, and we'll go ahead and save it into my documents and hit save. It's going to go ahead and save it, and then it's going to open it. Now, here, this is the amazing part. Here is the same exact document in Word. And just to show you the power of this, let's say I want to just get rid of this whole paragraph here. No problem, it's gone. Let's say I want to move this image over to here. No problem, I can move it. This is something you cannot do with just your regular scanner and the software it comes with. This is why the Readiris Pro 11 is so awesome. Okay, now I'm sure you're thinking that was awesome. That alone was worth $26.97, right? Now, that's not it. This has much, much more. So let me turn to the computer and show you the next part. The next part is converting PDF documents to something you can actually use. Now, I don't know if you've ever noticed before, but if you open up a PDF document on your computer, the only thing you can do is read it. You can't edit it, you can't change it, unless of course you shell out hundreds of dollars for Acrobat Pro. But who wants to do that? Let me show you how this program is going to just change the way that you work with PDF files. So the first thing we want to do here is just open the wizard just like normal. We'll go ahead and hit next on that. Now what I'm going to choose here instead of scanners, I'm going to choose image files. And we'll hit next. It's going to ask me the language, choose English, and it's going to ask me the format, we're going to choose Word. Now we're going to hit go, and it's going to ask me what I want to open. I'm going to go ahead and go here to my desktop where I have a PDF document already saved. It's a PDF document that I was working on at home, and what do you know, I sent it here in PDF format and I wanted to work on it, but I couldn't because I could only look at it here. So let's open it up in the Readiris Pro 11, and it's going to go ahead and analyze the pages. This is a 4-page document, and just to show you how quickly it goes through, this is in real time. That's page 2. Here comes page 3. This is going to take literally, I don't know, 10 seconds maybe? So after it's finished here, you'll notice that that's it. It's ready to go. Now it's going to go ahead and scan through all of them like it did before, pick out the differences between the images and the text. And then after it's finished with that, it's going to give me the option to save it. I'm going to go ahead and name it here and save it. And we're going to open it up in Word. And here it is. Awesome, right? Looks like the same exact thing, which it should, but now I can edit it. Unbelievable. Okay, now I mean, really? Converting PDF documents? Unbelievable, right? This thing has so many features, but that's still not it. This has one more great feature that I just had to touch on just because I'm a music lover, I play piano, and I'm sure some of you out there do. This is a bonus feature, a bonus product that just comes with this disc, and it's made to specifically convert sheet music to MIDI files on your computer. So not only can you listen to them, but you can put them into a music production program and actually edit them. Now, I've already scanned these. This is a full sheet music for The Entertainer. I'm sure you know it. If you've ever had a ice cream truck go by your house, this is the song. I already scanned this in, and I'm just going to show you real quick on the computer here exactly what this has already done for us. I'm going to go ahead and open up the program. The program is called Neurotron PhotoScore MIDI. I've already scanned in the document, and you can see what it's done here. This up here is the image, and here is the music file that it's created. Now I'm just going to hit play and shut up here for a second so you can hear this. Are you as shocked as me? I gotta tell you, that's just unbelievable. This is by far the coolest part if you're into music. I know that some of you aren't into music and that's fine, but for me, wow. I'm speechless. I don't have much else to say here about this. It's really just unbelievable. I had to show you as soon as I saw it. I mean, really, don't waste your life. Don't waste your life retyping this. Don't use this. You don't need to. All you have to do, stick it in your scanner, scan it into the computer, and boom, it's there. It's there for personal use. It's there for business use. You could scan everything under the sun. You have to check out the product page. Everything is below the video you're watching right now. All kinds of details on this. Of course, there is a downside. This is an amazing deal, and you know how it goes. We get these amazing deals, but they only last for a certain amount of time. I can't stress enough that we have a limited quantity of these. You have to buy it now. It's not going to be here in a couple days. It's only going to be here right now. You have to go up there, you have to hit that button, you have to make that purchase, because otherwise it's going to be gone. Don't get stuck spending hundreds on this when you can get it from us for $26.97 right now. Thanks for stopping by.